Japanese manufacturer Honda has launched the CB350 and CB350 RS with the May 2023 update. Both of these motorbikes now carry a BS6 Phase 2 compliant 348.6 single-cylinder engine with onboard diagnostics. As part of the update, both motorcycles get an emergency stop signal, which automatically activates the hazard lights in case of an urgent braking situation. The Honda CB350 and CB350 RS 2023 are now offered with 6 official accessory kits from the company to adapt these bikes to rider needs. The kits are called Cafe Racer, Solo Carrier, Tourer, and Comfort for the former, and RS Cafe Racer and RS SUV Custom for the latter. Design-wise, the Honda CB350 and CB350 RS retain the retro-inspired design philosophy of their 2022 models. The motorcycle gets a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, circular LED headlamps, sleek LED taillight units, wide handlebars, designer alloy wheels, and an upward-sloping exhaust. While the former gets split-type seats and chrome fenders, the latter has flat-type one-piece seats. Just like the 2022 model, the CB350 and CB350 RS 2023 are equipped with disc brakes on the front and rear wheels along with dual-channel ABS and Honda selectable torque control for better braking performance. Suspension duties are handled by a telescopic front fork and 2 shock absorbers at the rear. The Honda CB350 and CB350 RS 2023 are powered by a 348.6 BS6 Phase 2 single-cylinder fuel-injected, air-cooled engine that develops a maximum power of 20.8 HP at 5,500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 30 Nm at 3,000 revolutions per minute. This engine is combined with a 5-speed gearbox.